Is there a twist in this fairy tale? The love affair of Prabhudeva and Nayanthara seems to have hit a rough patch. Sources claim that their much anticipated marriage has been put off, and the rumour mills are quite active, churning out stories of a big rift between the two filmy lovebirds. Prabhudeva, the dancing sensation, reached dizzying heights all because of one film, Premikudu. His real-life journey definitely has a few moments to cherish, but in real life, he seems to be on a sticky wicket. He married the lady he loved the most, but after 15 years of living together, he divorced his wife Ramalata to romance Nayanthara. The Kerala Kutti was quick to accept Prabhu's love and even announced that she would marry him. The much hyped Prabhudeva and Nayanthara affair has been in the media glare for a long time. While Prabhu ditched Ramalata for his new girlfriend, Nayanthara, a devout Christian, took to Hinduism to cement their relationship. Seeing the two in love with each other, the rest of the world was only waiting for an all-important D-Day. For some reason, the two are still far from solemnizing their relationship with marriage. They braved the world when their relationship was mocked at. They weathered the storm facing court battles. Then what's stopping them from becoming man and wife? Chennai Grapevine has it that a recent rift between them is threatening to rock their relationship. Till recently, they were seen together, cozying up to each other at every public appearance. Industry sources reveal that the two are not as close as they were. The two lovebirds are moving apart, and this seems to be the reason for their marriage breakdown. Rumours are flying thick and fast that Nayanthara is deliberately avoiding Prabhu and keeping a safe distance from him these days. People close to the two stars blame this rift on Prabhu's reluctance to let Nayan continue with her acting career post-marriage. He was candid in a statement a few months ago that his lady love will call it quits after marriage and that the Telugu mythological flick Sri Ramarajyam would be her last assignment. But looks like the actor was not happy with this decision. Nayan is in no mood to sacrifice her career for the sake of marriage. Against all the odds, she is busy in building her career in the industry. Nayan also received a farewell during the shooting of Sri Ramarajyam, which made it clear that she will not do any movies in the near future. The Lady Lass has signed Telugu project which will star Nagarjuna in the lead role. The actor has also charged a whopping amount of 1.5 crore rupees for the movie. Signing a new project, in talks with Kollywood directors and announcing a comeback in films to friends had led speculation rise about a breakup with Prabhu. While on the other hand, Prabhudeva did everything to marry the Lady Lass. Prabhudeva has settled down in Mumbai, while Nayan has made Chennai her base. And we also hear that they both are not seen together anymore, not at functions or trips. This is not the first time speculations have escalated. There were similar kind of speculations a few months ago, but then Nayan came forward and denied their breakup stories. She even went ahead and said that they both have decided that post-marriage they would settle down in Singapore. And there were rumors that they will get married in Mumbai and not in the south, and the reason behind this was to avoid media attention. Prabhudeva even divorced his wife for Nayanthara. But there was a catch. He wanted the most wanted beauty in the South film industry to give up what she loved doing most. Here is how the rest of the saga unfolded. Prabhu entered into a divorce settlement with his wife of 15 years, Ramalatha alias Lata. The affair became a public one more than personal one. There were many comments not only from the industry but everywhere. Prabhudeva was already married and but not divorced yet. Ramalatha was unwilling to agree for a divorce and filed a petition at the family court seeking directions against her husband and Nayanthara from marrying. Ramalatha also threatened to go on hunger strike if Prabhudeva married Nayanthara. Well, it looks like they overcame all odds only to give up when they had a clear way. But folks, looks like Nayan has now had a change of mind. Not only her acting career, she also seems to be contemplating her marriage to the ace dancer and director. Is this good news or bad? Well, that is for you guys to decide. We are sure a lot of you are jumping with joy to know that the hottest Tollywood actor is single again. But what's next in his life?